Hey everybody, it's Brian over at Showcase Agency. And if you're going to buy your first home, you've probably got lots of questions. A question that we get a lot is, how do I know if I need to replace the roof? Like, how do I know if the roof is any good? That's a great question because a roof is very expensive to replace. When you go into escrow on the house, what you'll want to do is to have your home inspector come out, take a look at the house. Now, the home inspector will usually do a quick visual of the roof. And again, it's a quick visual, but they can point out some things and let you know if you should go an extra step and pay for an extra inspection from a roof specialist. And a lot of times the roof specialist will do the inspection for you and provide you with a quote because they'd like to get the business. So you knock out two birds with one stone. If you've got questions about buying a house, reach out to us. We'd love to help you. Now is a great time to buy, and you can text us at 949-518-0742. And if you're looking for more home buying guidance, check out our YouTube channel at showcaseyoutube.com.